Itong mga blue lines na to, these are parang liquidity areas. Yan. So here, may liquidity dito. Hindi mo alam kung liquidity hunt lang yan and then tataas na yung market or tutuloy pa pababa. If you want to set alert on that level, sometimes the market hits that level ng madaming beses katulad nito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1 hour chart. How much more kung sa lower time frame ka nag-a-alert niyan? So medyo maingay. Now if you want kung sa higher time frame ka lang mag-a-alert para hindi maingay, once nag-alert naman siya ng unang beses, you still have to go down sa lower time frame for confirmation. And sometimes it takes hours to wait, like ito. 12 o'clock, magandang entry, or bumaliktad na siya is alas 5 na ng hapon. So imagine.